The stock went off at RELM4. To put this bitch ass white pipe on. So, gotta buy another fucking extension on this fucking Tomei. This is the first one I bought, fucking 10-inch. I got this one from Z1 Motorsports for fucking $128. And I got this one from Concept Z for, I think it was $55, and I had a $50 coupon. So I pretty much got this shit for free, and I had to pay overnight shipping to get this shit. I'm trying to get this fucking Tomei on for you guys. And now we got a 22-inch extension. It should fit, because I can move back the actual Tomei. And the Tomei will stick out more. But other than that, it's 22 inches. I got full Tomei exhaust besides this. Eventually I want to get one of these made. That's titanium. So fucking weight reduction. Fuck it. But this should work for now. Back on this fucking bullshit. IPL wheels. Danny P. Fortnite. Xbox. Fucking do this gay ass shit again. Gotta do this gay ass shit again. So we got the extension on. 10-inch, 12-inch. Bolted them on. I got the Tomei white pipe on. I got the Tomei test pipes on over there. I got the actual Tomei up here. The only thing that I'm gonna have to try to relocate is the hanger that should go right here. But since the Tomei doesn't reach up here, it's gonna be up here. I might have to replace one or not hang one at all. It's the only thing that's gonna suck. What the fuck? This guy's still playing Fortnite over there, but let's see what happens next. And it's complete. Oh, that shit's wet. Oh, Christian. Oh, Christian. Look at the Tomei, dog. So for this part right here, my Tomei was hanging hella low, so I ended up jacking it up and raising it, and then as you can see, I bought a little hanger from fucking O'Reilly's that I ended up just wrapping around my exhaust because my shit was hanging way too low.